Launching the registration station application. Plug in and turn on your registration station office computer. Make sure the RFID reader is plugged into one of the USB ports on the side of the computer. Double-click the FairPick icon located on the desktop to launch the registration station application. You will need a customer portal account to log in to the registration station app. Enter your portal username and password, then click Login. Assign employee badges. If you haven't added employees to your customer portal account, you must do this first. Refer to the customer portal training video for instructions. To assign an employee badge, click the Make Employee ID Card button. All active employees are listed in the box. Click on the employee's name to assign him or her a badge. When a name is highlighted, you will see the employee's details appear on the right-hand side of the screen. This includes the employee's name, ID, and whether the employee has crew boss status. Remember, if an employee has crew boss status, his or her card can be used to program configuration cards and scan upload cards and data bucket cards at the weighing station. Have an employee RFID badge ready, either a bracelet or a card. You can also reprogram an old badge. Next, click Program Card. Hold the card or bracelet up to the RFID reader. Hold the card or bracelet to the reader until the computer chimes and you see the card contents appear at the bottom of the screen with the employee's information. If you rescan the badge by holding it to the RFID reader without pressing the Program Card button, the information programmed on the badge appears under Card Contents. This is one way to check if the information is programmed on that employee badge. To verify that the employee is now linked to a badge, log in to your customer portal account. To verify that the employee is now linked to a badge, log into your customer portal account, then click the Employee tab. After assigning an employee to a badge number will appear next to the employee. If the employee does not have a badge ID next to his or her name, go back to the registration station application and try reassigning the employee badge by highlighting the employee's name, clicking the Program Card button again, and holding the badge up to the RFID reader until it chimes. Making configuration cards. From the main screen, click the Make Configuration Card button. Configuration cards tell the weighing station important information that may change the weighing process and how data is recorded. To make a new configuration card, select the language of instruction. Next, verify that the time zone and the weigh unit are correct. This information auto-completes with the information entered on your customer portal account. Then, enter an optional batch ID and location ID. These can be alphanumeric codes used for your records. Each weigh entry will contain this batch ID and location ID. Then you will need to choose up to 2 containers to use during harvest. Click the arrow to open the drop-down menu displaying all active containers added to your customer portal account. Click the name of the container to select it. If you use 2 containers at one weighing station at one time, the containers must have the tracking feature enabled. You will need to program container labels and attach them to your containers. If you do not see a container you've added to the customer portal in the drop-down list, click Refresh Container List to update it with the most recent container information. When all information is entered, have an RFID card ready. Click the Program Card button. Hold an RFID card up to the RFID reader until you hear a chime and see the correct card contents at the bottom of the screen. To verify that the card successfully programmed, scan the card by holding it up to the RFID reader. The card contents should appear with the correct information. When you are finished programming one or multiple configuration cards, click the Done button to return to the main screen. Erase card contents from any RFID badge, card, or label by clicking inside the circle next to Erase Card. When Erase Card is selected, have the RFID badge, card, or label ready, and then click the Program Card button. Hold the RFID tag to the RFID reader until the computer chimes. Verify that the card, badge, or label contents have been erased. Create an upload card. You need to create an upload card to initiate data upload if harvest data will be directly uploaded from the weighing station through the router and up to the server. Click the circle next to Upload Card to program an RFID card as an upload card. Have a card ready, then click the Program Card button. Hold the card up to the RFID reader until you hear a chime and the card contents show it as an upload card. Click Done to return to the main screen. Create Data Bucket Card. You need to create a data bucket card to initiate data transfer from the weighing station to the FairTrak Data Bucket app if using this method to get data up to the secure server. Click the circle next to Data Bucket Card to program an RFID card as your data bucket card. Have a card ready? Then click the Program Card button. Hold the card up to the RFID reader until you hear a chime and the card contents show it as a data bucket card. Click Done to return to the main screen. Create container labels. Click the circle to the left of Container Sticker. Click the box or arrow to open the drop-down menu next to Container Type. Select the number that corresponds to the container name. Refer to the container list located on your customer portal account. When you added a new container to the customer portal, if tracking was enabled, you selected a number under Container Type. Use this number to program that container's label on the registration station app. Have a container label ready. Use a specific container label color to represent a certain container type. For example, all totes are container type 1 and receive a yellow label. All boxes are container type 2 and receive an orange label. Click the appropriate container type number, then click Program Card. Hold the label up to the RFID reader until you hear a chime and the card contents show it as a container sticker. Click Done to return to the main screen. Thank you for watching. FairPick, a better way to harvest.